Yo, Troopers. Okay, so I keep telling guys that I like to take these fenders off, and I like to replace all the fasteners with stainless steel. I like to clean up all the fastener holes and replace them with stainless steel. You know, and sometimes it's pretty difficult to get these screws out of the front apron. They can be rusted in, and I've gotten pretty good at extracting broken studs. But there's something else I want to show you right now, and that's part of taking these front fenders off. And I find it on pretty much every Trooper between 87 and 91 that I work on. This is a 91, and it is a real special truck. But look at this. I pull this plastic inner fender. I mean, look at the inside of this fender. It is absolutely marvelous. It's a little wet. It was raining outside, so I pulled it inside. So it's a little bit moist, but I mean, the metal work on this truck is amazing, considering it's a 91, and yeah, it's pretty high kilometers. Yeah, we pull this plastic inner fender, and oh wow, what's that? That is fucking mud. And there's a little pad inside here from the factory, which is meant to give acoustic dampening. Really, it has no other purpose other than acoustic dampening, and it is a sponge. Well, actually, maybe it has another purpose, and that's to rot the truck out. I don't know. Anyways, I don't like the little sponge. I'm probably going to get rid of it. And as far as this crap goes, I mean, shit. Sometimes I find piles of sand in there. You know, if I've dried the truck out, I'll find a pile of sand in there. And in this case, the truck's been sitting in the rain for a while. Oh my God. It's just like how fucking, there's my screwdriver. It's fucking as tall as my screwdriver. There's a lot of dirt hiding in here. Holy shit. We're gonna bake a cake. Anyways, until you can get the lower fasteners on the quarter panel, you can see there's quite a bit of sand in there. Like, this is from some kind of journey, right? You can tell the layers. I can read the story of the Trooper from the layers of dirt. It's like geology, alright? So, yeah, until you can get these lower fasteners on the quarter panel, right on these inside, you know, there's a fastener right down here, and then inside there are 3 that go up the seam, and you need to get at those from inside the door if you've never done it. And so you don't actually have to pull the fender. You can really do a lot of good just by getting this plastic inner fender cleared out, and then you can get back in here with a screwdriver or some kind of a rod and start to scoop this dirt out. And once you get it scooped out quite well, you can get in there with a pressure washer. I mean, you can hit it with a pressure washer right off the hop if you want. But anyways, I can tell that I'm actually in pretty good shape here, because this little plastic plug that's always here, the rot around it, there's minimal rust around it, and sometimes it's just completely rotten in there. But let's have a look right deep in there. And yeah, it just like hides in there. It's a nice little pocket. So cleaning these fenders out and getting this lower pocket on these front quarter panels really clean is essential, you know, because this moist sand and mud come, you know, you park underneath a pine tree for a while or an oak tree, and yeah, this stuff will build up, and it just acts like a sponge, and it stays in there, and then people wonder why their truck's rotting out. You know, well, holy shit, I just pulled a fucking half a pound of fucking earth out of this truck, and you couldn't see that it was there, right? Every single KB84 and 83, KB83, they're all subject to this. So, do your truck a favor, get down in that quarter panel, hose it out real good. Oh, look at there, I got a nice layer of Vancouver Island greens.
It's going slimy green in this corner here. Yeah, the truck will start to grow soon. Anyways, I don't want to let my truck become its own biosphere, so I'm going to clean that out and try and preserve this metalwork from going rusty. Alright, troopers, I hope that helps. If you hate rust as much as I do, I'm certainly fighting it. Keep the rubber side down.